Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial I want to crochet rainbow coasters. Then you can put them inside of a happy cloud. You can use them easily, like this, and choose any color that you want. They are really useful for tea parties with your friends or family. People can use their favorite color. So let's crochet. Okay, first I want to show you how to crochet one of the coasters. This is my 3mm hook. And this is the yarn. First, we want to make one slip knot. Okay, now insert the hook. Hold this knot and pull the working tail. Like this. Now I want to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see each chain has a V shape. Now in the first chain that we made, I'm gonna make one double crochet. This is how I'm gonna make a double crochet. First, yarn over. You see from the bottom, yarn over, insert your hook inside of the chain. One loop of the chain is on my hook. Now yarn over and pull through. Make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. We count these 3 chains as 1 double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochets. We need 12 double crochets. So I'm gonna crochet 10 more double crochets inside of the same chain that you see in here. So again, yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. 3 double crochets. Again, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And this is the last one. 12. This was round 1. Now I want to close to round 1. This one is 1 chain. I'm going to count the chains. This is 1 chain. You see it doesn't have a chain shape, but it is 1 chain. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to insert my hook inside of the 3rd chain, which is this one. So insert it. And you see I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the chain. Now I have 2 loops. Pull this loop through this one, like this. It's called slip stitch. Now I want to chain 3 as 1 double crochet. Inside of the same place, which you see in here, you see this little gap. I'm gonna make another double crochet. This is the round 2. You see, we call that increasing. Let me show you in the next stitch. Yarn over, under the V shape of the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and another double crochet inside of the same stitch. So insert it, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So we want to increase 12 times until we have 24 double crochets. Don't forget to count your stitches. 1 and 2 inside of the same stitch. So do the same thing until the end of the round, which is here, and then you will have 24 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 2. Now I have 24 double crochets. Don't forget to count these 3 chains as 1 double crochet. Now I want to count them. 1, 2, 3. Now I want to insert my hook inside of the 3rd chain, and I have 2 loops on my hook. Pull through and make 1 slip stitch. So this is the end of the round 2. Now I want to start the round 3. First chain 3 and 3 as 1 double crochet. This is the next stitch. As you see in the pattern, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch 1 increase. So 1 double crochet. This one should be increase. See, 1 double crochet, 1 increase. You should repeat this pattern until the end of the round, and then you will have 36 double crochets. I'm gonna meet you there. Okay, this is the end of the round 3. Now I have 36 double crochets. Now let's close this round. Now I want to start round 4. So first chain 3 as 1 double crochet. As you see in the pattern, I need to increase in the next stitch. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets, and again 1 double crochet. This is the pattern, which means I need to make 1 double crochet again, then 1 increase, and again 1 double crochet. Okay, repeat this 12 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 48 double crochets. I'm gonna meet you there. Okay, this is the end of the round 4, and I have 48 double crochets. Now I want to close this round. Now chain 3 as 1 double crochet, two double crochets, 3 double crochets, and 1 increase, 1 and 2 inside of the same stitch. Okay, you need to repeat this pattern until the end of the round, and then you will have 60 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 5. I have 60 double crochets now. Let's close the round 5. 1 slip stitch. Now for the last round, first you need to skip 1 stitch, which is this one, and I'm gonna make 5 double crochet inside of this stitch. See, yarn over, skip this one, insert your hook, and make 1 double crochet. Again, inside of the same stitch, 2 double crochets. Again, 3 double crochets. Again, 4 double crochets, and again 5 double crochets. Now again I want to skip 1 stitch, which is this one, and 1 slip stitch inside of the next one. So insert your hook, yarn over, and make 1 slip stitch. Again I want to skip this stitch and make 5 double crochet inside of the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now skip 1 stitch and slip a stitch in the next one, like that. You need to repeat this until the end of the round, which is here, and then I'm gonna tell you what to do next. Okay, when you make the last 5 double crochets, you need to skip this one and make 1 slip stitch in the last one, like that. Now we need the tail and pull it. Now you can cut the yarn. I'm gonna use a needle to hide the tail, something like this. Now tie 3 times and cut the tails. Now let's crochet the cloud. To crochet the cloud you need white yarn and a 3mm hook. First I'm gonna make 1 slip knot, insert your hook, pull the working yarn. Now you need to chain 2 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, now I have 26 chains. This is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook. I'm going to insert my hook inside of the second chain from the hook. You see one loop is on my hook. Yarn over, pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is 1 single crochet. Now in the next chain, insert your hook like that, 1 single crochet. Again, the next one, 1 single crochet. Make single crochets until the end of the chains. We are going to make 3 single crochets inside of the last chain, so I'm gonna meet you there. Okay, now in the last chain, I'm gonna make 3 single crochets. So first insert it, 1 and 2 single crochets. Now the third one should be on the other side of the last chain. So I'm gonna turn. This is the other loop of the last chain. Now 1 single crochet inside of the other loop. So we have 3 single crochets inside of the last chain. Now I'm gonna make single crochets on the other side of the chains, as you see in this loop. 1, in the other one, 2, in the other one, 3. Make single crochet on the other side of the chains until here, which is the last chain, and I'm gonna make 2 single crochets inside of it. Okay, this is the last chain, and I'm gonna make 2 single crochets inside of it. 1 and 2. This is the end of the round 1 of the cloud. Now you must have 52 single crochets. Okay, now let's close the round 1. This is the first single crochet we made. I want to insert my hook under the V shape of this stitch and make 1 slip stitch like that. Now you need to chain 3 as the first double crochet, and in the next stitch, which is this one, not this one, this is the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, and make 1 double crochet. Again, in the next stitch, 1 double crochet. You need to make double crochet until the end of the round, and you must have 52 double crochets, and then close the round in the third chain that you see in here. And you need to make rounds until the round 6, and then I'm gonna be here for the round 7. Okay, this is the end of the round 2, and I have 52 double crochets. Don't make double crochet inside of this stitch. Now in the third chain, which is this one, I'm gonna insert my hook, make slip stitch, and close the round 2 like that. Now again, chain 3 as the first double crochet, yarn over, inside of the next stitch, 1 double crochet. So keep doing this, keep making the rounds until the end of the round 6. Okay, this is the end of the round 6. Now in the third chain, like that. Now I'm gonna skip 1 stitch, which is this one, and make 5 double crochets inside of the next stitch. 1, and 5. Now I'm gonna skip 1 stitch and slip a stitch in the next one like this. Now I want to skip 2 stitches and make 7 treble crochets inside of this stitch. So yarn over twice, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook, make 4 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, again inside of the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. I'm gonna make 7 treble crochets inside of this stitch. and number 7. Now again I want to skip 2 stitches and slip a stitch in the next one right there. Again I'm gonna skip 1 stitch and 5 double crochet inside of this one. Okay, after the 5 double crochet, skip this one, slip a stitch in the next one, and again I want to skip 2 stitches and 7 triple crochets inside of this one. Okay, after the 7 triple crochets, I'm gonna skip 2 stitches and 1 slip a stitch in the next one, and again I'm gonna skip 1 stitch and 5 double crochets inside of the next one. Okay, after the 5 double crochets, I'm gonna skip 1 stitch and slip a stitch in the next one. Now you need to chain 2. See, in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Now you need to make double crochets until the end of the round, which is here. Okay, after the double crochets, I'm just gonna make 1 slip a stitch in the last stitch like this. Now we need the tail and pull it. Now you can cut the yarn. Now I want to hide the tail. Okay, now it's time to connect the eyes and the mouth. For the eyes, I used black and white felt. You can see the size in here and use some glue to stick them to the cloud. You can crochet any color that you want for the coasters. I used rainbow colors. And then just put them inside of the cloud like this. Okay, this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future videos. See you guys.